everyone! Welcome to my vlog! Today, we're exploring the Macapagal Macaraig Arroyo family, a central house. This place is full of history, culture, and stories. Now, let's check it out. Hey everyone, take a look closer at this sign. This isn't just any marker, it's a heritage sign, officially declaring this house as a protected historical site. Take a look closer at these frames outside the house. These are not just decorations, they show important moments of people in the family history of Macapagal Macaraig Arroyo. Right here in the front of the yard, we'll see this sliding statue. It's actually a sculpture of a young Gloria Macapagal Arroyo on a slide, capturing a playful moment from her childhood. Inside the house, you'll see framed portraits of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo's parents. Her father, Diosdado Macapagal, the 9th President of the Philippines, is shown in formal attire, while her mother, Evangelina Macaraig Macapagal, reflects the family's warmth and values. These frames honor the family's roots and legacy. These two black statues represent Diosdado Macapagal and Evangelina Macaraig Macapagal, the parents of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
What year na ni siya recorded, sir? Yung palay ni Macapagal? 1950. The tukod here is parents ni, former president. Siya ang mother na nag-iyak. Kani siya, kinsa ni sir? Wala ni yung mga Gloria Arroyo. Macaraig? Si Dave niya Macaraig. Ibang Nilia Macaraig. Maria. Ibang Kulina Macaraig. Siya rin si Gloria. Ay! Kani, wala. Mother din niya? Where is it now? Dali na si President. Yan yung mother. So, mali ang pinaka-owner hearing sa Tagaligan din siya. Okay. Where is it now, sir? Wala ko siya. Okay, where is it now? Kamay ako. Then, yan ang papa. Dito na niya siya, sir? Diosdado? Ay, ano yung Diosdado? Nahilig na siya nag-government. Okay.
Presidente ng Macapagal, nakulit rin siguro.
Then mana sila? Or si Gloria na na?
Mother and